with the chef here at Karavali and Mr. Abhay, and they're discussing about what wines to pair with food and who better than these two guys. So, Abhay, you can take it away.
Hi, chef. Hi. We are having Vintners Reserve for tasting today, which is 70% Cabernet, 30% Shiraz, 2 years in French oak. So it has got a very smoky, very oaky, big complexity. And then it has been in the bottle for 3 years. So it's a very aged wine. And now I would like you to suggest something from your Karavali menu to go with the Vintners Reserve. What you would recommend that we have it with that wine?
Since you say it's okay and it's been there for more than about 3 years now.
Yeah.
Yeah. One of the most popular things which I suggest is you would like to look at a curries and a combination? Or
No, we would just like to have some kind of a dry snack or or like an item which does not have too much gravy.
Okay.
Just one can eat with
the first thing comes to my mind is lamb ulartir.
Okay.
That would
what
go
is the
well.
cuisine there like?
Yeah, this is a typical Kerala preparation, normally made very dry, and even there, not with wine of course, they do have it with any other liquor, and the spice level is really up there. But here we'll tone it down to make sure you enjoy the wine and the flavor comes out in both the wine as well as the lamb here. That would be the fine part.
I think that would be nice. So because let's see how the combination works.
Yeah.
When we do that.
So that dish is with the Barrique Reserve.
That dish is with the Vintners.
Vintners Reserve. Okay.
And then of course we are also having a Barrique Reserve,
Okay.
which is again 1 year in French oak, 2 years in the bottle. It would not have as much oak or as much complexity as Vintners Reserve, but it still would be a barrel aged red wine. What would you suggest? I would say that now that we are already having lamb with there, so maybe something to do with pork, to go with because that can really take higher level of spice than Vintners Reserve.
Sure.
So we can go with something to do with pork.
Okay. Now, since we're talking about pork and Karavali, definitely I would suggest to go along with the pork sopotello, but not the regular what I normally serve there.
Right.
I'll definitely have to tone it down to an extent, not from the spice point of view, the sugary and the vinegar point of view.
Yeah, definitely, because vinegar and the wine are enemies. You can't have too much vinegar in that.
And of course, 1 or 2 sanas along with that to mop up that. That will be perfect.
Sometimes what happens is when you have a fine wine, you also need a fine cuisine.
Right.
And any cuisine which has a very high level of spice would never be considered as a fine cuisine.
Right.
So you have to have, and chef would know better, to have a good balance between the meat and the spice.
Right.
They should complement each other, and at the same time, it should also complement wine. When you pair it with wine.
So it's not just the food; it's the experience that you're having
Exactly,
over,
Absolutely.
right?
Yeah. So wine is one dimension, food is second dimension, and when you pair them, you open up a third dimension.
Right. Okay.
Here I would like to add, with Karavali and Abhay being associated with us for years now,
Right.
it's been a great experience because for us, Karavali cuisine, which is a southwest coastal cuisine, is a robust, and when I say robust, it's spice, it's aroma, everything there. But then again, we know with the basics intact here, the very basics, what we call red meat, red wine, white meat, and all that. With that, now it's time to move on and explore a little. So, and all these years, we had never done it with Karavali, especially there was a mindset saying that, okay, this kind of a spicy cuisine, who will pair it up? Best with a chilled beer. But no, not anymore. What we have done is, yes, we do not want to tamper too much with our cuisine, for sure. But then again, to pair with the wines, all that we are trying to do is come down on the spice levels, come down on the vinegar levels, but still have the food intact so that it's a win-win situation for me more than others. So that I can tell the world, yes, this cuisine can be had with the best of wine.